Hi, my name is Christian. I'm a sound designer and VPM Creative Lab. We are an audiovisual company who is in charge of doing video mappings, immersive installations, interactive installations. We develop visual content and sonic content for different kind of brands. We work with bigger festivals around the world, a lot here in Barcelona, but we do some corporative uh, events as well, and we develop content for anything which is audiovisual. We have a small team. We're three, developing all the art, direction, the visual part, and the sound design part as well. And yeah, we are here in ICA trying to look for new possible customers, new possible clients, partnerships, work with people, know the new technologies so we can offer that to our customers and new technologies, combining them, creating more art. Um, and yeah, for more information, you can find us in our website, which is vpm.cat or VPM Creative Lab at Instagram.